Good morning, everybody. Thank you for watching Cruising with Chef Puck. Today we're not cooking today, but today we are going on an adventure. We're going on a cruise today for 10 days in the Haven Suite with Norwegian on the Getaway.
And no kids.
And no kids. It's unbelievable. All right, it's 5:15 this morning. And we're going on a serious adventure with that. We're getting on the Long Island Railroad. Oh, that's right. And then from there, we're going to take it to Penn. And then from Penn, we're going to catch an Uber to the Pier 88 in New York City. All right, so I'll keep you abrupt how our trip is going. And I hope you guys like this video. See you in a little bit. See you on the list. Hey, welcome back to Cruising with Chef Puck. We are on the LI, on our way to Penn Station. And from there, we're going to catch an Uber at 8th Avenue. At 8th Avenue. All right. The ship is almost in dock at Pier 88. All right. All right, everybody. We're on our adventure. Now we got to catch an Uber cab down to Pier 88 at Penn Station. So we just got to figure out how to get out of here. I mean, we can go. I don't understand. Which is the quickest way and easiest way? Which is the logical way? Okay, here we go. Trying to get to the street. It's been a long time since I've been here. In a very long time. And the adventure starts now. Oh, you first. All right, welcome back with Cruising with Chef Puck. All right. Here we go. Now we have to walk to
the corner.
All right, so you want to notify, or you want to, now we got to catch Uber now. All right. Welcome to Manhattan. Good old Manhattan. It's been a long time since I've been here. I left and I never came back. Look at all the traffic. All right, I'll be right back when we catch our Uber. The Pier. What's up, people? Welcome back with Cruising with Chef Puck. All right, we're in an Uber now. On our way to Pier 88. We're not that far from it. All right, so I guess I'll see you guys in the terminal. Peace out. All right, we made it to Pier 88. Okay. Actually, we beat the ship here. And as you can see, the ship is still coming in.
Yeah, that water was rough, Dave.
Yeah, this is going to be a Haven adventure. This time we're staying in the Haven. All right, look at that. I think we actually might be the first ones here for the
the sailing. What time is it now?
7:28.
7:28 in the morning. Our boarding time is at 9:30. Since you, when you're in the Haven, you get the priority. Help them park it. Since you're in the Haven, you get priority boarding. So you're actually the first ones on the ship. All Haven guests are the first ones on the ship. I was supposed to make a video about the Haven. I guess I'll do it when I get back. Yeah, this is a 10-day Caribbean cruise on the Norwegian Getaway, February 6th to the February 16th. And here she comes. It's unbelievable how big these ships are.
Why is this?
All right, we're going to go into the terminal. All right, I can't record in there, so I'll see y'all guys. Hey. All right, this is what we got. We got some cookies, fresh fruits, coffee, orange juice, tea. Looks very good, very nice. All right. Haven Lounge. All right. Let me get me something to eat. Be right back.
My name is Alex, I'm the concierge. This is Lourdes, she's my assistant. We work together in the Norwegian Getaway, which we have guys have a good time. We have our destination on deck number 16. We're going to take you there as soon as we start boarding. If you are interested and you have a key card, come on your hand and talk to the good thing. Once we start boarding, we're going to use the doors on the right hand side. Estimated boarding time will be 11:15 or so. Once we start boarding, I'm going to leave the first crew to the ship. I'll leave you all together up in Haven Lounge on deck number 16. All the guests will be evicted inside, and you will be served lunch. Lunch will start 11:30. That's part of it. Part of the video. After we start serving lunch will last until 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We shall be ready by 12:30 today. I will stay upstairs and I'll pass the message back to all the users by the Wi-Fi, also the question will be available only after 1:30, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll see here by this. I'll show you how to log in. And the one who is us here in the door, it's come to our desk, passes, so so for now, please take a seat, enjoy. Oh, Lourdes will pass with some papers. The front side of the paper is the school schedule, back side of the paper is the game schedule. Have shoulder for reserve, that's fine. On the shoulder, there's no need to make a division. We'll go to schedule the shoulder every day in our desk. We want to be less with the game theater. We ask the members of the same time, the rest of the shoulder. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner served at the restaurant for eating guests only. First come, first served basis, and this is the first and the last day. So right now she passed on bid 2. If you are a group of 4 and larger than that, please make your reservation at least today. Okay? If you have any other questions, I'll be here behind the doors. Please come over and ask me questions.
Thank you.
I'm going to get come on the back whenever you have the show stage.
All right, we're boarding the ship right now. It is about quarter after 11 right now. All right. Got our key cards out. All right.
work together with you. You can build the model of a plane, and then I can build it.
All right, we're boarding the ship now.
You want me to take this to me?
All right. If you can put it on my back, it'll be good.
I got it. You got your piece for where's the other piece? The phone.
It's in the bag. Yep, Norwegian Getaway, February 6th, 2024. Suite 16124. All right, we're going to have lunch in the Haven. Right now we have to go through security. We bypass everybody. The gentleman in front right there is the concierge. His name is Alex. Anything we need, we go through him. But I am going to find out if Yogi is still on this ship, our butler. All right. These are all the people that's waiting to check in. All right. All the people waiting. We are on the gangway, ready to board. All right, I'll be right back when we start the board. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to board. Somebody got sick or injured. And we are about to be on board. All right, welcome to the Norwegian Getaway. Now we're going to be escorted in a private elevator to the Haven Lounge. All right. And then we're going to have lunch in the Haven Lounge. Excuse me, in the Haven Restaurant. And the bar is open. Thank you. All right. And this is when we check in. All right, so I'm going to sign off here. Be right back. You photobombed me. You photobombed me. And welcome to the Haven Lounge. All right. Concierge desk. Very nice. This is the lounge. They should have some complimentary drinks here. Same seats. Why not? And that's the Haven Bar. All mine. All mine. All right, I'll be back. All right, we're in the Haven restaurant. This is the menu. On Norwegian. Getaway.
No, I'm gonna have my
All right.
no water.
See what they got here. And boom.
Good morning, sorry, still morning.
I know, good morning.
My name is Rachel. I'll be your visit from Pakistan.
Nice to meet you.
And do you have any allergies in here?
No.
Be good. And now you need to order more drinks.